It's April 12, 2026. We're here in Loyola, Marikina. It's the death anniversary of Ave Cruz, Lola Ave. And we're right near the church. What do you call this? Garden.
Of memory.
Garden of Memories. And here are her Troop 5, Girl Scout, ever solid. And we had a video call with the family so that they could join in the memorial. It's 5:35 in the afternoon, so we're coming in waiting for the sunset. So this is Loyola Memorial, Marikina.
Sir, ito nga. Kaya, one time, pinuntahan pa namin. Nag-talk kasi si Manolo sa